Does my extended warranty cover rental car reimbursement? Have you ever wondered if your extended warranty includes rental car reimbursement? This is a common question among car owners, and the answer can vary. Extended warranties, also known as extended service plans, can differ quite a bit in what they cover. Some of these warranties do offer rental car reimbursement, but it is not guaranteed for every plan or provider. When rental car reimbursement is part of an extended warranty, it usually helps pay for a rental vehicle while your car is being repaired due to a mechanical breakdown. This can be a real lifesaver, ensuring you have a way to get around while your vehicle is out of commission. However, it is important to note that this benefit typically does not cover routine maintenance or repairs that are not related to mechanical failures, such as cosmetic damage or normal wear and tear. There are often specific limitations and restrictions on rental car reimbursement under an extended warranty. For instance, there may be daily or total reimbursement limits, as well as a maximum duration for how long you can rent a car. Additionally, some plans may requiring you to use specific rental agencies. Understanding these details is essential to avoid unexpected costs. On the other hand, rental car reimbursement is more commonly found as an optional add-on coverage in auto insurance policies. This coverage usually kicks in if your vehicle is damaged in a covered accident and is not drivable. With this type of coverage, you can typically get reimbursed for rental car costs up to a certain daily limit for a specified number of days. To qualify for this coverage, you usually need to have collision and comprehensive insurance on your vehicle. Unlike extended warranties, rental reimbursement in auto insurance does not have a separate deductible. It is activated only when you file a claim under your collision or comprehensive coverage. To determine if your extended warranty covers rental car reimbursement, it is best to carefully review your warranty contract or reach out to your warranty provider directly. If you want consistent rental car coverage during accidents, consider adding rental reimbursement to your auto insurance policy. Understanding the differences between these two types of coverage can help you make informed decisions about your transportation needs during repairs.